Hello learners and welcome to class 11. I'm sure there must be a lot of questions in your mind right now. And one of those questions has got to be, so what's new in class 11? Therefore, before we go any further, I'll try to give you the short answer to that one. Well, for one thing, we have the paper pattern, which on the surface appears to be the same as the class 10th paper, but in reality it has quite a few unfamiliar aspects. The highlighted areas that you're looking at are the ones we're going to explore for the first time this year, like note making, notice writing, advertisements, job applications, report writing, and speech writing. Which brings us to our topic for today, notice writing. First, what is a notice? A notice is written or printed information meant for a specific group of people to be displayed in a prominent place or published in a newspaper or magazine. Usually, notice writing questions relate to school notices for students or general notices for residents of a housing colony or neighborhood. Notice writing is part of the short writing section and therefore carries 4 marks. So now we are going to discuss step by step how to write a notice. The very first thing is the notice must be enclosed within a box. Draw this box neatly. Make sure that all your text is inside the box, and don't make an effort to save paper while writing anything in an examination or test or a classwork notebook. So moving on to step 2, write the name of the issuing organization, institution or authority at the top of the page in the center. Remember, not to the left side or the right side, in the center of the page. Step 3, write the word notice in capital letters under the name of the issuing authority, again in the center. Now, the next step involves writing the date on which the notice is being issued, on the left side of the page in a formal format. Moving on to the next step, write the heading in the center, stating the purpose of the notice clearly. This heading must be written in 2 to 4 words only, and it must be totally clear. It must convey to the reader exactly what the notice is about. Next, we move on to the content. This must be written starting from the left side of the page. It must address the target audience, give all the necessary details relating to time, place, venue, location, duration, etc. Always be within the prescribed word limit, and must contain no unnecessary information, explanations, justifications, etc., which are not required. The step 6 is a proper conclusion. That means we must end our notice by specifying the person from whom further information may be sought, and the signature, name and designation of the individual who has issued the notice. To give you a clearer understanding of how to apply whatever we have discussed today, we conclude this session with a sample question and a model answer. This is followed by 2 assignment questions which will help you to practice whatever you have learned in this session. So until we meet again, good luck and keep working.